President Donald Trump signed an executive order today expressing his intent to lower prescription drug prices for Americans. Thanks for joining us for Fox 43 News at 10. I'm Amy Lutz.
I'm Evan Forrester. The order instructs his administration to ask drug companies to lower drug prices and to pursue the so-called most favored nation policy if they don't. Fox 43's James Corrigan spoke with a local pharmacist. He joins us with details of how this could affect pharmacies.
11 local pharmacists see their customers pay almost 3 times the amount for the same drug that patients in other developed countries pay. Both parties have opposed drug price measures in the past, and today's announcement and executive order signing was welcomed by pharmacists as a sign of intent from the administration to finally lower drug costs for Americans.
A prescription drug can be a lifeline, and in the United States, they can also be a pipeline for money to pour out of pockets and into the wallets of drug companies.
I think it's awful. I think it's terribly unfair.
Melissa Kaler owns Hillcrest Pharmacy and Compounding in Colombia and says the significantly higher drug prices compared to other countries takes a toll on her customers.
Young families really struggle to pay for medications. Our elderly really struggle to pay for medication, so we do need to do something.
President Donald Trump's executive order lays groundwork for lowering some of those costs, as it directs his administration to propose a price reduction to drug companies and propose alternative policies if they don't accept. The order does not currently affect drug policy, including for Medicare patients, which President Trump had attempted to lower prices for in his first term with a similar measure. It does, however, signal intent from the administration to lower prescription drug costs.
I absolutely hope that this will help to lower prices, specifically for Medicare patients, but also for all patients, because we have a lot of commercially insured patients that pay a lot of money too.
Now, the promise of lower prescription drug prices also brings a level of fear to pharmacies like Hillcrest, who worry that they'll be the ones footing the bill for the lower costs.
We work with pharmacy benefit managers every day. There are insurance companies that pay the pharmacies to dispense the medication to the patients. We are actually worried that with the executive order lowering the prices, specifically on brand medications, that we'll be paid even less than what we're already being paid for these products and then be even more underwater.
Despite those concerns, Kana remains hopeful that her customers can soon see relief.
If we're able to bring the prices down, it could be good for all of us.
Now, to institute a most favored nation policy for all Americans would take an act of Congress and Democratic support. Progressive Democrats who have also supported this policy have invited President Trump to work with them on a bill. That policy is, however, opposed by many of the Republican leaders in Congress. Evan?
We'll certainly see how it plays out. Fox 43's James Corrigan, thank you.